INOGENI SHARE2U, I've connected two Huddly Canvas cameras. Each are pointing at their own whiteboard, and I wanted to find out if the whiteboard enhancement comes through. What you normally get is this extra item up here, whiteboard camera. All right, and then you have desktop, iPhone, iPad, and then camera. So that's just a second content camera. So if I take that away, share out the Zoom Room controller, all right, I'm going to share that out to you. When we go and we click the share content or camera, you'll see, and this is live, by the way, in our Zoom Room, you don't see that whiteboard camera option. However, when you do go to the camera, you will see the INOGENI SHARE2U. So I'm using the Huddly IQ as my main camera, and the INOGENI SHARE2U has the two canvas units in it. And as you can see, it comes out just fine. It's showing all the whiteboard enhancements. I have another whiteboard connected, so if I go and I select input 2, we get the other whiteboard. I can, of course, go and do picture by picture, all right, and we can swap those back and forth, picture by picture. You can do picture on top of picture, and you can swap big picture by small picture and swap those. And then, of course, you could select input 1, and you could select input 2. So if I wanted to go and zoom in on the camera so you can see one of them is zooming in, and I can pan and tilt. So I have that UVC control over the camera. So you can still frame both of these right from the Zoom Room controller. You have complete control over the cameras.